To connect a PS5 controller to your Samsung Galaxy S26, you're going to open up the Settings app. From here, you're going to tap on Connections and then select Bluetooth. Next, you're going to put your PS5 controller in pairing mode. Now, to do that, you're going to long press on the PS button and the Share button until you see the indicator light blinking. Once it starts blinking, it's in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and do that. Just long press when it starts blinking rapidly. Let go, and it should be in pairing mode. If it doesn't appear in the list of available devices, you're going to tap on Scan and wait for it to appear. Then go ahead and select it to start pairing, and then confirm that you wish to pair. Once you've done that, you'll have successfully connected your PS5 controller. Now, all you need to do is simply try to navigate through your device using the controller, and you'll be able to see you can now successfully move through your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.